Hey everyone, little crypto road trip for you coming from my car. Once again, I want to get some thoughts off my mind as it relates to crypto, as it relates to freedom, as it relates to financial sovereignty. The title of the video, I'm not sure what I'll put yet, but maybe like crypto holders, I'm sick of this because I'm a little sick of this. And I really mean every word in terms of what we're about to talk about. See, every bear market in the crypto world, it's different. Each cycle low, we see people selling out of fear. That happens all the time. Essentially kind of just giving up on crypto, right? That's the general theme. But this time around, there's this interesting parallel that's been kind of bothering me a little bit. Now, our basic freedoms and financial sovereignty are truly being threatened by regulators. That's just the bottom line. And the thing is, majority of people are sitting back and ignoring it. I don't necessarily mean everybody in crypto is ignoring it, but a lot of the world, they're blindfolded by what's actually happening right now. And that is something. And here's what's ironic. This isn't just happening in the crypto world. It's this pattern that I've noticed over the years in life, in general, outside of crypto. People are extremely just unaware of what's happening around them. And it really makes you think. They're oblivious to like the changes and the threats that are right in front of them, all around them. And that's kind of my thesis for today and my thesis for this video. So let's dive in a bit deeper into this as it relates to crypto, as it relates to the crypto journey that we're all on. So to illustrate what I'm talking about, recently we've seen the SEC going after crypto platforms like crazy, right? Binance, Coinbase, it's causing insane fear. It's causing prices to drop. It's causing a ton of uncertainty in the market, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But what's the real motive behind all of these actions? That's the question. So a tweet from Will Clemente I saw earlier today really caught my attention. He basically suggested that a lot of the regulation that's designed to crush crypto native companies, it's done to clear the path for the big guys, the huge traditional finance investment firms, the banks. And he shared this article, and based on the article he shared, it seems like it's really kind of true. The CEO of Soros Fund Management was quoted basically saying that, I don't remember the quote, but the crypto firms are basically not run by adults, right? And they're kind of stepping in from a traditional finance point of view. And it's clear that these crypto platforms could have absolutely benefited. I'm talking about Coinbase and Binance, benefited from a mature guidance. And it's clear that the development of crypto market in general has been mismanaged, right, from certain perspectives. But the solution, is it really to let traditional finance step into play right now and just completely take over? And how manipulated is that, if that's what's happening? And let's not forget about the Ripple case. We know what's going on with the Ripple case. The case is obviously so important and crucial for every single crypto holder out there, whether you like it or not, whether you like XRP or not. If the judge rules, for instance, that XRP tokens trading on secondary markets are not securities, that's a big deal. And that could undermine the entire basis for the SEC's case against Coinbase and Binance, for example. Or at least it's a start. So the question is, what's going to happen next? And are we going to see more exchanges follow Binance's path and kind of suspend USD deposits and withdrawals, like things like that? Is that going to continue happening? Are we going to see traditional finance firms basically take over crypto markets? And most importantly, are we going to sit back and let it happen? That's the question. That's kind of why I'm doing this video. I'm kind of tired of the control that is trying to be had by regulators and essentially the government in general. And we need to really understand the implications of these actions that are happening right now around us. We need to kind of stand up for, I say this a lot, but just financial sovereignty or financial freedoms. And let's not forget, this isn't just about money, okay? It's about the principle of it. It's about the freedom to choose where we invest our money. This isn't some rocket science concept. It's about the freedom to participate in a market that's decentralized and free from the control of traditional finance. that's simply what it is. And it's about the freedom to innovate and to build and to create new solutions for really the world's problems, not make things worse. So my encouragement is that we just don't sit back and watch as these freedoms are threatened, and we have to continue to educate ourselves. We have to continue to dig into this and really understand the implications of everything that's going on. And that means things like just talking to our friends, people we work with, our families. And I guess probably to highlight the most important part here, life isn't crypto. Life doesn't equal crypto, but crypto is a big part of our lives. And that part is really being threatened. And what is ironic is outside of crypto, there are other freedoms being threatened as well. And it's just this dynamic that so many people that I've noticed outside of crypto kind of ignoring what is being threatened and kind of just blindfolded to it. Blindfolds on, everything's fine. Just life goes on as is, not paying attention. So those are my thoughts today. I find the parallel very interesting that it's happening in the crypto industry and it's also happening in the real world. So let's just continue kind of moving through all of this news that continues to come out. Obviously, you saw earlier, we saw the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF is getting ready to, they're getting ready to go for it. And that really ties into what is the bigger story going on here? That's really the question. And so we're going to continue tracking all of these things, everybody. I just wanted to kind of get some of those thoughts off my mind. Let me know if you agree in the comments. I really do appreciate all of you watching, following along, and hit that subscribe if you're not a subscriber as we continue this crypto journey. I'll see you in the next one, everybody. God bless.